Hey guys, I'm back with Skyrim, the adventures of a blacksmith. But I should say that in my arguing voice. Hey guys, we're back with episode, I don't know, of the adventures of a blacksmith. Smith. There we go. That was my brother. I don't know if you could actually hear that, but that was my brother. In this episode, we are going to be going to the Greybeards. Where are the Greybeards? There they are. Quests. Do I have the voice? Here we go. So where do we have to go for these quests? We have to go there.
Hey guys, add me on Facebook.
My brother again. James, come in here and introduce yourself to all the viewers. Maybe they can even add you on Facebook. Ride. Okay, now we have to ride our horse to where is it? What's this little town that we're going to? Invenstred. I don't even know. Let's go. Brother again. Now we are going to where we're going to, and while we are doing this, we can actually hunt while we're going to the Greybeards. So this is going. I think this is going to be a very good adventure. A very good hunt, I guess you can say. Like that, but that journey. Oh, who are you? I want to say who these guys.
Are you finished ogling the grotesque? I suppose I should be grateful you didn't simply attack me.
Your skin? Are you ill? Your skin? Oh, are you?
I'm one of the afflicted. I'd have been dead from this plague a year ago if not for Perryite's protection. Returning to High Rock, our shepherd lost his way, and I fear Perryite's wrath may consume those who remain with him. Kesh could tell you more. I just want out of Skyrim as quickly as possible.
Okay. So yeah, but that adventure with the Stormglow quest to get in, that was very we found so much iron ore and so much wolf powder and ice wolf powder. It was just so good. Just loved it. But now we are heading to the Greybeards. What's our smithing at? I want to quickly see what our smithing at is at. 50, we have 50 smithing. Cool. Very cool. A town. I think, is this, yeah, this is Riverwood. Is it? Yeah, it's Riverwood. I thought it was a new town, and I haven't discovered it. Going off topic, I have school tomorrow, and it's 8:30 right now. Whoa! There's a red dot. Someone's trying to kill me. Two red dots now. Who are trying to kill me? Oh, I got on the roof. Where are these people? What is it? What? Is it a dragon? You kidding me? It's a dragon. Oh, it's a dragon in Riverwood. Oh shit. I have this shot. Oh no. Shit. Quick save. It's like, a nice dragon. Holy fuck. Come on, come down here. Oh shit. We got more than we... Get off the house. Can't hit you from up there. Go down, you stupid dragon. Still going on. Damn. Freaking. I guess you don't have any archery on any bows, so we can't do archery. We should start taking up archery. I think we should maybe we'll start that. We might take up just have a bow and some arrows, so when we do meet a dragon or like a wolf or like a deer and it's running away from us, we can just have it so we can hit it. Yeah, we're gonna start that, guys, because bloody dragon, not freaking landing. Oh shit! Oh, I'm about to die. I need a potion. Some food. Very nice. And some wine. Okay, kill it! It actually landed! Holy shit, it landed. Yes! Someone messaged me on Skype. Leave Linda! Oh! Holy shit! That's so cool! Ah! So epic! Oh, so the guards in Whiterun now have changed to Stormcloaks. I mean, in Riverwood. That's good. Yay! I absorb its soul.
Fine armor you've got there. Warrior. Am I right?
Yes, you are. I know, my armor looks so cool, man.
It's like the ancient
So what's your shout now? So time. Shut it again. It will. Wow, that's pretty cool. Man, I want to see these. Just quick save there. Oh, I keep on lagging when I quick save. But you'll see these. Oh, that is pretty cool. I like that. For now, put that shout on.
It may be dead now. Where did...
We're gonna come in here and sell those dragon scales and dragon bones because they just take up so much space. I haven't figured out which they can actually do, but I have a feeling that they do something big. I just don't know about it yet.
Whatever
Now we need to get our bone.
Or deal some damage.
Yeah, you can have that. You can have that. Need that. Yeah. What weapons do you have? You have above sparks. Gotta make some iron arrows. I guess I'll just take your hunting bow. What do you have? No, we need to save up some money now because we're running out. Oh no, I don't want it. Where's our hunting bow? Oh, we gotta put it as favorites now. Okay. Look how cool we look with our boom. Oh, our arrows in a hunting moment. It looks so cool. Ooh.
It means so much to us to have the claw back
Watch
where
what
it
you're
belongs.
doing.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
What have you got
Trinkets,
first?
odds and ends, that sort of thing.
Okay, we need to sell you our speechcraft. No. Here we go. Oh, that was the problem. You would run out of money so fast. You're so annoying. Emily cool. Okay. Well, I guess we can live with this. Out here. Oh yes, now we must put our Warhammer on favorites too. And those. Okay. So, what have you got?
My
I
favorite
never would have
drinking
believed
buddy.
it
Let's
if I
get
hadn't
some
seen
meat.
it with my own eyes.
Ah, cool. So now, guys, we have our. I was wondering, like, what was going to attack us.
But don't get on my bad side.
Oh, those are the guys. They're gone now. Oh, I wonder they get their armor and steel armor and all that. Oh, where's my horse? Horsey. Horsey. Oh, don't tell me my horse is dead. Can horse be alive? Horse, where are you? Where's my horse? My horse, horse, horse. Well, I know what to do. Let me fast travel to Riverwood. When we fast travel, it should be here. Yeah, we go. It worked. Let's go, horsey. Now we go to the path. So on our way to the cave beards, we actually encountered a dragon. Oh look, she's lying there now. Ha ha, dragon. You know much for Linda, me, and the Stormcloak's soldiers. Now we must go up these steps. Or this path, I guess you can say. I guess that's getting a little annoying now for you. Whole video I'm just gonna go.